Alright guys, today we are going to learn how to use a sticky note. We're going to mark the tricky words in our books, and then we're going to come back to the tricky word by finding the sticky note. Okay, we read this book one time before in class. Houses. Do you notice the houses on the book? These are kind of different houses, aren't they? By the red house, there is a blue house. And by the blue house, there is a purple? I'm not sure of that word, so I'm going to put a sticky note so I can come back to it later. House. And by the I'm going to skip this word and come back. House, there is a I'm not sure of this word. It looks kind of yellow, but it looks brown too. House. And by the not sure of that word. It's the same word. House, there is, put my sticky notes so I know to come back. A greenhouse. And by the greenhouse, there is a purple house. Oh, I know a word that I was having trouble with. On this page, I thought this was the word purple, but I know that this is purple by looking at the house, so this must be the color pink. The pink house. By the purple house, there is a not sure of that word, but I know this is the word orange man. Alright, I'm going to put a sticky note there too. Alright, so now that I'm done with my book, I need to go back and find my sticky notes to see if I can figure out those tricky words. By the red house, there is a blue house. And by the blue house, there is a pink house. And by the pink house, there is a, let's look at the first letter. What's that letter? Y. And Y says Y. So could this be brown? No, a Y. What color word starts with Y? Yellow. Good. House, and by the yellow house, there is a greenhouse. And by the greenhouse, there is a purple house. And by the purple house, there is, this kind of looks like a little house and a little man. This is the word little. A little orange man.